Hello, thanks for tuning in. It's an interesting topic today and I want you to consider the following. If you are getting the results you want to receive, please keep doing what you are doing. I applaud you. However, if you feel stressed, worn out and low on energy week after week because you are tired of pushing people, you may as well listen to me, because I'm really good with people. I don't want you to burn out. There is a better way. The secret is to put people over numbers. Wait. I'm not saying that numbers are not important. Of course they are. But who is helping you to produce these numbers? Learn new tools and techniques on how to build rapport with your workforce. It's easy. Anyone with an open mind can learn it. I have proof first results can be observed after only a few weeks. Putting people first is a valid business strategy. I think there is something amazing about it when you realize that people are capable of doing extraordinary things. It is all about learning how to think. If you liked the video, please click like, leave a comment, and I would be so appreciative if you share it to help the people in your network. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and be at your best.